All right, this is our subscription unboxing of Simple Loose Leaf Tea. So, both my husband and I have really started to like tea.
Yeah.
Actually, you liked it a lot sooner than I ever did.
Yeah, there's a lot of health benefits to tea, and you kind of just enjoy it.
Yeah, well, for me, I stopped drinking pop quite a while ago, and I'm not a coffee drinker, so he was always drinking tea, and every time he'd make a cup, I was like, that's too strong, I didn't like it. So you started to kind of get teas that were a little softer, a little more mellow, and then I really just kind of got on it, and now it's, something I want every night before I go to bed. You make me teas that have like kind of chamomile.
Oh yeah, chamomile. Yeah.
And you buy your
nighttime teas and daytime teas.
Yeah, and you buy, he buys teas in bulk, and you have all the little tea filters as well.
The empty tea bags, you can just mix your blend and just.
But the thing that appealed to us with getting this subscription service was that we kind of have these particular teas that we use. We don't venture out beyond our normal ones.
Yeah.
So I thought this was a way for us to try some teas for a few months to see, kind of broaden our thoughts, try things we would have never tried before.
And get a blend together. I mean, you can see what's in the tea that you're drinking, and you can add, if you wanted, you could actually go out and buy each ingredient and make it as strong. If you like the zest of the orange or whatever they put in there, you can add that.
Or go light on it. And,
but that's a good way to try all kinds of different teas.
Yeah,
and then
so we're kind of excited to try it. And this subscription service is kind of neat. It's only $9 a month, and then I think, if you wanted to buy it a year or 6 months, you could do those, and, I think there was little savings if you chose to do it a year. But overall, I was pleased with the price and for us to try it. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like.
How many teas do you get?
Yeah, exactly. All right. So, it's got little containers, it looks like.
4 of them.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 5?
Nope, 4. So 4 different teas, and the cool thing about them on the backside is you get to see what they look like. So that's pretty cool.
It comes with 4 bags.
Oh, you get 4 bags too. And they're reusable. I think these are like what we already have.
Yep, these are exactly the ones we have.
Okay, cool. All right, so the cool thing about this and this company, Simple Loose Leaf, is that I remember reading online that it's packaged by hand and packaged with love, it says. And they're a family-owned and run business, which I always like to support family-owned businesses. So this was cool. So this is family where some brothers, it looks like, started this. 2 brothers wanted to build a better Tea of the Month club. So, and then they also help employ people that are in local sheltered workplaces. So that's awesome. So it's definitely cool.
Popcorn and rice kernels. Now that's unusual. Now, I have not had tea like that before, but I'd rather try it in a size like this
than buy
a big thing
yeah,
of it.
Yep. All right.
For how much a month? $9?
$9 a month.
That's good. I mean, you can try different
things. And you get to try it out. So, okay. So let's look. This little pamphlet actually lists all the teas that you got, and they kind of talk about, the differences of the teas. So let's take a look at each one. Okay, the first tea that we got is Blood Orange Herbal. So this has got orange peel, hibiscus, rose hips, apple pieces, safflowers, and rose petals. And this blood orange is a herbal tea, and you can brew it hot, cold, or iced. And it's got, lots of flavors, and, it's also caffeine free, which is I picked. So that's another thing to note. You can choose the caffeine versions of the tea club, for each month, or the decaf. And I chose decaf because, again, I'm not a coffee. Neither of us are coffee drinkers, and so we weren't looking for the caffeine. We were just.
But I like caffeine, in the daytime, in the morning. But it's okay. We can go the more nighttime kind of tea.
So I chose the decaf version. But for this club, you can actually choose the caffeine. Okay, so that's the blood orange. Now it's the Jinmatcha, if I'm saying that right. And so this is a Chinese Bancha style sencha green tea. And this is bancha, popped corn, and toasted whole rice kernels to make a smooth green tea that has nice rich notes of toasted rice. Weird.
It's worth trying, yeah. I mean, let's see what it's like. I love green tea, but
I've never tried a tea like this before. So this is exactly what I was talking about, is that we would never buy this.
No.
And you'd even say, hey, should we buy this? And I'd be like, no. So this
you have
is
to usually buy a whole box of it if you buy anything. So it's,
right,
you know, you
right.
share the whole box.
So this is what I like. I like it's kind of forcing me to try it. And you know, the cool thing I think about these is you're gonna get a few. You're gonna get a few of, you know, cups of this. It's not like you're gonna just get one cup of tea. This is enough supply to get, you know, quite a few cups, is it not?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
It was about 5 cups, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Next one is Blue Lady Grey. So this is a lighter take on the classic Earl Grey, which we've tried that before. I know I've tried that at different places. And this is smooth lavender and bergamot citrus notes. And, you know, it's something that I think is similar to the Earl Grey, but a little softer and smoother, it says. And then lastly is the Red Robe Oolong. So this is also known as Da Hong Pao, if I'm saying that right. And this is from the Hui Mountains in China. Again, I might be saying that wrong. This is definitely got a heavy nut flavor, which mellows as the tea cools. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if we have any teas right now that are kind of nutty in flavor. So I'm curious to try that.
To see how that tastes, yeah.
Yep, definitely. So those are the 4 items we got in this month's subscription. Well, we'll report back on what we think of these and let you guys know. Thanks for watching.